In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Paint format on Google Sheets. This simple tool lets you copy the look and feel of one cell and apply it to others, so your spreadsheet stays consistent without redoing each style choice by hand. It copies things like font, size, text color, fill color, borders, alignment, and number formats such as currency or dates, but it won't copy the cell's actual content. Start on the Google homepage. At the top right, you'll see the grid icon, often called the Google Apps menu. Click that to open the list of Google services. From there, choose Sheets. This takes you to the Google Sheets dashboard, where you can see your recent files and templates. Go ahead and open your document so we can work inside a real sheet. With your spreadsheet open, first select the source cell, the one that already looks the way you want. Maybe it has a green header background, bold white text, centered alignment, and a specific number format. Choosing a great example cell is important because that's exactly what will be copied. Next, look to the toolbar for the Paint format icon. It looks like a small paint roller. Click it once. You'll notice your cursor changes, indicating the tool is active. Now, apply that formatting to another area. Click a single cell to copy the format there, or click and drag across a range to apply it to multiple cells at once. The formatting is applied instantly. Your text and numbers don't change, only the styling does. So you can standardize headings, highlight totals, or match table sections without touching the underlying data. If the result isn't what you expected, use Undo to revert immediately. Also keep in mind that Paint format replaces whatever formatting was there before. If a cell had different colors or borders, those will be overwritten to match your source cell. You can repeat this process as many times as you need. Select a source cell with the style you like, click the Paint format icon, then click or drag over the destination cells. It's especially helpful when you're cleaning up imported data or aligning styles across multiple sections of a report. That's it. Open Sheets, open your document, select the well-formatted source cell, click the Paint format icon, and apply it to the cells you want. Once you start using it, you'll find it's one of the fastest ways to keep your spreadsheets consistent and professional.